Alright, hello everybody. We are off Valley Boulevard. And I was going to check out this other car wash here, but it doesn't appear to be working, or they're already closed for the day. To be honest, I've lost track of what city I'm in at this point. Oh yeah, they're just closed, because they closed probably around 5. Oh well, guess gotta try something else. Alright, does this look familiar? Yes, I know I'm crazy for trying this again after it completely failed last time. But I went in and got a code for the $10.99 Super Wash, which actually, I noticed they raised their prices by $2. The top wash is no longer $10.99, it's $12.99. But, you know, since my last experience was one of the worst ever, I decided to go with the $10.99 to be safe. The bottom package was actually disabled, so this is the lowest package they offer. And the code is 14270. Alright, we got the enter light. Let's see this thing fail again, presumably. Ooh, yeah. Looks like we got broken undercarriage again. Woohoo! Jesus. Pressure plate still sucks. Oh, look. We have half working pre-soak again. Oh, wait. The pre-soak is actually working. They actually refurbished this thing. Yeah, that paint looks much fresher than the last time I was here. But look at that, the pre-soak actually works this time. Wow. I'm actually surprised even the pre-soak is working this time. I mean, the pump is barely functioning, you can tell it's like, but it's working. I'm actually very surprised that they would bother fixing that. Oh yeah, and the nozzles are facing in the correct direction this time. It doesn't drop down, but it faces in the right direction. Wow. Yeah, you see, like, it looks like they actually repainted this thing. Look at that. I'm actually very surprised at how well this thing is doing compared to last time. The side blasters are working too? Wow. Like, I'm not even being sarcastic. I am shocked that they bothered to fix this at all. I'm gonna have to take a look at my old video because I swear that paint looks like it's redone. Maybe they saw my video and saw that this thing sucks. Look at that. I mean, sure, it doesn't come down anymore, but it's still functioning. They managed to fix the functioning on that. I may actually have to come back here and get the top wash again. Because after seeing this is going way better than last time. Still not perfect, but this is a dramatic improvement. I know I sound like a broken record, but I can't believe they actually took a little bit better care of this thing. Yeah. Well, if this keeps up, this will warrant a revisit for the top wash to see how much has been fixed. Just how much has been fixed. Oh look, and the nozzle's actually facing the right direction. Now I didn't point it out on my last visit, but those nozzles there are supposed to actually angle up and down, and it looks like they're doing that. It's doing that now. Okay, I guess. I'm guessing that it's supposed to do that? Wow. Okay, well, here's another problem. It's still leaking that water through the high pressure arch as it dries the vehicle. Yeah, but that wash cycle was a significant improvement for sure. The dryers are actually doing okay. I was not expecting this thing to be working any better than last time, but I stand corrected. Yeah, I think this thing might warrant a revisit to try the top wash, see if they fix the tri-foam too. I never thought I'd come back here and be shocked for a good reason. I figured they would just replace this thing because of how awful it looked last time, but this thing is doing remarkably better than last time. Okay, it's still kind of dripping, but alright, and got the green light. Yeah, well, I gotta say, I was not expecting to be surprised for a good reason at this wash. That is a remarkable improvement from last time, considering that this went from being the worst car wash ever that I've ever visited. Alright, so final thoughts. I was not expecting to drive away as impressed as I was there. And for once, I'm impressed for a good reason. They really did try to fix that machine. I mean, the undercarriage still doesn't work. But look, since the last visit, the high pressure arch faces the right direction. The pre-soak works. The side blasters worked, and none of that was working last time. So to the owners of that Mobil station, or whoever was maintaining that, I'm assuming you saw my video and saw how bad it was, and it looks like they also repainted the sides because it looks a lot better. I swear that was a repaint because the paint looks so fresh. So yeah, I'm actually very surprised that the thing is working as it did. And as I've said a couple of times already, that is 100% gonna get a revisit from me to try the top package to see if the tri-foam and everything else works. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed that as much as I just did. That was a much better wash, and that is it.